Hey guys, welcome to my channel. And today we are doing a festive look for Rakshabandhan which is coming up pretty soon. It's a glam look, but at the same time it's very simple to recreate, so let's get started. I'll start with my favorite Hangover primer to fill in all the open pores and also to create that smooth base for the foundation to stick onto. For foundation I'm using Maybelline. It's a very lightweight formula, and during festivals we have to do a lot of other preparations too. And I don't want a very heavy base or something that gets caked up after some time. So Maybelline is best as it feels light and gives a good coverage too. Now to fill in my brows, I'm using Anastasia eyebrow pencil. So I have gaps near my arch, so I'm combing it downwards so that I can see all the gaps and fill it. Now at the start, again with a light hand, I'll fill in the gaps, and finally I'll blend it all using a spoolie for that natural finish. So now my eyebrows are set. Next I'm using LA Pro Girl Concealer for my under eyes and wherever I have pigmented areas, that is around my mouth and nose. Also applying it on the bridge of my nose to highlight it. And also I'm using it on my eyelids today as a primer, and using the same beauty blender I'll blend it all nicely. Concealer spreads, so you don't have to apply too much. Less is more. Make sure to blend it only in the areas where you have applied it. Once the concealer is blended, I'm using this highlight powder from Wet n Wild in shade Dulce and applying it on the areas where I've applied concealer so that it doesn't crease in those fine lines. And to the rest of my face, I'm applying Loreal Mat Magique for that matte look. Again from the same Wet n Wild palette, I'm using this contouring shade and contouring the hollow of my cheeks. Then forehead, jawline. Just make sure to blend it into your hairline. And then I'm contouring my nose. Just contour according to the natural shadow of your nose. Contouring gives a nice structure to your face, so it's a good idea to do a little bit of contouring so that your face doesn't look too flat. Then for blush, I'm applying this nude blush today just to give that healthy flushed look to my cheeks. Applying on the apple of my cheeks, starting on the edge of my eyeball. So now we'll move on to our eye look. I'm just applying this gold highlighter from Jor Cosmetics with my ring finger all over my eyelid. As you can see, the outfit I'm wearing has gold and bronze all over it, so I went it for this highlighter. You can use any highlighter you have or any gold eyeshadow. It will just take 2 minutes to apply, and with this definer brush I'm just placing it near the edges. And guys, this is such a pretty highlighter. I'm really blown off with its pigment. And finally, to blend those harsh edges, I'm just applying this brown color and I'm blending it in my crease. And now comes the star of our today's look, and that is Kajal. Just pull your eye down lightly and then start applying Kajal on the waterline starting from the outer corner of your eye. I'm using this Urban Decay Perversion waterproof eyeliner so that it doesn't smudge. I'm applying it on my waterline and lower lash line. And guys, if you have problem of Kajal getting smudged, I'll share a trick. Trick is just to apply a black eyeshadow on top. That's it. So, I'm using this black eyeshadow from Colorpop palette, and I'm using this flat definer brush and applying it in the waterline and below my lower lash line. This will actually seal your eye hole and also make it thick and intense. Just like you set the base makeup with powder, you have to set your Kajal too with a powder eyeshadow, so it protects the Kajal from smudging. And then I'm tightlining my upper waterline with this same eye pencil. Now I'm applying the same black eyeshadow very close to my upper lash line because I didn't want a thick eyeliner today, so I'm just tightlining it using this same eyeshadow. Guys, please try this look. It's so quick and easy and so elegant for any parties or any festivals. And now you can stop here. But just because I wanted a bit glam, I'm applying this Urban Decay glitter eyeliner in Starfire on my eyelid. And voila! That gives that glam look. And then on my inner corner and brow bone, I'm applying this pale gold color. Then I'm using the same highlighter from Jor and I'm connecting the high planes of my face, that is cheekbones, my chin, cupid bow and bridge of my nose, and I'm blending it. Then on my lips, I'm going in with a dark lip today as I'm wearing an orange and copper outfit. I'm applying this lipstick which is orange and it has some like orange tint to it. It's Misfit from Kat Von D brand, but matte chili also gives you the same look. This color which has orange tone to it looks beautiful on Indian skin tone. Then finally I'm just blending my face with some MAC Fix Plus using my beauty blender. And now for hair, I'm going for a messy side bun. So for that, we'll first make a fish braid. It's very easy. Just tie your hair with a rubber band and then make 2 sections. Just take small sections from each side and bring it in the middle and braid it. So basically, I'm just taking one small section from my right, bringing it in the middle, and then one section from left, bringing it in the middle and braiding it. Continue this till the end. Smaller the section, better it is. And if your hair has good volume, then your messy bun will look really very nice. And it's really very easy. Just practice it once and twice and you'll be a pro. At the end, just you have to put a bobby pin. And now I'm just pulling my braid a little bit so it looks bigger. It doesn't have to be neat because we are going for a messy look. And then once done, just roll it up and then remove the bobby pin which we inserted at the end and just insert it at the sides. And make sure to secure the bun tightly with the bobby pins. Place the bobby pins nicely to make it tight. You can also pull your hair slightly for that volume. And then I also pulled 2 strands at the front and curled it with my straightener. Now I'm just applying 2 coats of mascara at the end to my upper and lower lashes. And this is my look with my long earrings. And if you don't want long earring, you can also go for tops and a thin chain around your neck. And this is the look with my tops. And now guys, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I share skincare, hair care, home remedies and makeup tutorials every Tuesday and Friday. So see you next week. Till then, bye and take care.